Alright. Okay. It's all the video library, Peak Production, Peak Studio, Status Media Entertainment. It's all the video library. Turutangiye Status Media hamwe na Ndekandi Papi Entertainment present bafatanyije. Izo ni company, one of the smallest company, ariko ugasanga ziba zarakoze ibikorwa burya biri ngombwa ko bigomba gukorwa namwe mukabireba. Byongera ngo murabizi Rakwaga ngo ndabizi da. Ibyo ntago mubizi, niyo mpamvu ngiye kubabwira. Vunagira mubwire ko mutabizi ari jeje ugiye kubimenya namwe mukabimenya kuko je nabimenye imbere yanyu. Dutangiranye umugabo bagenzi uko bigaragara. Uyu mugabo yarashwe, kandi nanone bigaragara ko afite n'ibindi bikomere utamenya ngo byavuye he. Tubonye jaho ahantu igisasu cyinjije, hakurya abandi bafite imbunda baryamye nabo ni imirambo. Ntawe uramenya ngo niki cyabaye, ariko icyabaye cyose bigaragara hano hantu ko habaye kwangirika gukomeye. Ngo bereye gutsa abantu bose baraho ni imirambo, kandi uyu mugabo yambaye bagenzi na bulletproof vest. Yambaye vest. Kigaragara cyo hari igihari there something. Kurikira wirebere rero. Nyambaro rero yambaye ikuramo arangije yitiza agashati ne kundi wabaye maze kuba umurambo. Nuvuga ngo muri abantu shaho abantu b'iduniya isi nyine nibyayo niko bimeze. Burya bisi nibyayo n'isi nibyayo. Agafilime kiswe Forget 10 Timothy Woodward Jr. niwe nyiraga filime Timothy. Dolph Lundgren umukinnyi w'imena Dolph Lundgren. Ibashe kubakazamo John Masina ndiwo buriya mugabo mwarebaga nawe akarimo John Masina. Vivica Fox nene umwiraburakazi kabuhariwe. Michael Peya nawe yagukina amafilime menshi cyane, nawe yagarutsemo kuri munsi none. Natasha Malte nawe yabashe kubakazamo. Johnny Laughlin nawe akarimo. Dan Trejo nawe yakajemo. Imodoka za polisi uko zirimo ziraza mu gace ziri kugenda zijyamo bantu twumvise mu kanya gatoya. Ubwo buduha bwa polisi mu gihe umugabo yarema aritegura kandi yitunganya agace kandi ni kakandi. Bagabo baraho. Original names the Sharif ngo yitwa Sharif. Akaba ariyo mazina yitwa ari Michael Peya original names. Amazina ye ni The Kid. Dringa original name The Kid. Kumbe Sharif wagira ngo aryo bugoro. Aracira koko niba adacira wagira ngo ari umwe mu kiri rwose. Sharif araryo bugoro.
And this one's giving me a pain in the ass already.
Ibyo ndabona bisa nka bitangiye kandi avuga mu mvugo mbi. Ubwo nanjye ndayisimbutse ngo this one is giving me a pain in the ass already. Ngabo pain in the ass.
Grim Reaper had himself a good old time.
Kuva naza muri imirimo ibyinshi ntago burya bijya bikunda kuba byiza, ibyinshi birangirika.
Better call this into the city. They're going to want to send out some CSI technicians.
Dukeneye kuba twagira benshi duhamagara.
Some boys contaminating evidence, do they?
Yes, sir.
Ataza kugira n'umugira na kimwe batwara mu bimenyetso biri hano. Sharifu, the Sharif.
Hold Hold on there.
Buretse katosha buretse guhamagara wa mwana we buretse. Hari ibindi nkireba hano. Hold on there. Kumbi.
Oh my God.
Ibinikira.
Tried to rip somebody off and got killed.
Bigaragara ko abari bakeneye ko ibifaranga bakaba bishwe.
Where you going now?
Urimo urajye?
Going to call in.
Giye kubahamagara babandi bose bazi. Oya garuka sha buse iki bonye ntiginde ibitekerezo.
Being around it.
Not if no one knows it.
Amafaranga rero nta numwe yazi.
Just think about it, Samuel.
Bitekereze Samuel we. Ririya faranga.
In cash in that van?
Ririya cash.
That much in product in the other one.
Ririya ni nka miliyoni hariya hirya mu mari zihari biyobyabwenge ni nka miliyoni nk'eshatu.
Didn't your wife just have a baby?
Umugore wawe ntago ari kubyara nta kana agira.
I got 2.
Ye mfite abana babiri. Nanjye ubwanjye ndashaje.
I'm gonna pay their tuition.
Ntago rero mfite uburyo nakwishyura abana banjye amashuri meza.
And I'll be honest. I'm feeling old.
Kandi ndumva nashaje wa mwana we byo ni ukuri nkubwiye.
Working 2 jobs.
Gukora imirimo ibiri.
Tired of picking up drunks at 2 o'clock in the morning covered in piss and vomit. Tired of getting shot at by some...
Maze kurambirwa kuba nazaraswa n'abarara ku mihanda.
I'm just tired.
Narananiwe ibintu byinshi cyane.
That's a lot of money.
Kandi ya ni ifaranga ryinshi. Tekereza. Twaryiha burya nta wundi muntu uhari.
How'd you going, kid?
Urabyumva ute mwana muto?
Son of a bitch.
Mwana yatutse umuntu mukuru binikira. Ntago twakiba amafaranga y'abantu. Ngiye guhamagara. I'm go calling. Wa mwana wihangane gira ifaranga ntago narireka. Sasu ryaciyemo. Ifaranga ntago yarireka. Sorry kid. Ngaho kugira ngo areke ya faranga kirongera kiracira kandi gishinzwe umutekano. Takada wagira ngo barakamuteye niko kari kumutera kira kibazo cyo guciragura dore ngamba. Yo. Hari abantu kera bajyaga barwara ukabona umuntu yarwaye ifumbiye mu kanwa kacaraciragura. Yae po. Nawe nuko. Faranga ngo ni ryinshi ndetse n'indi riri mu mari. Another one in product, the product ngizo imari ziraho. Kashiriraho. Akiri naye kuruhuka. Kumbe ki kuriya hakurya na cyasamba.
Take it easy now.
Bitware buke Jean.
Let's talk this through.
Reka tubiganire.
Young deputy there.
Uriya mwunganize mwabiganiriye.
I'm worried about you and me.
Ikibazo gihari nige nawe.
Who the hell are you?
Uri cyande. Tasuri chamo dore ngabo. Who the hell are you? Muragiye buriye barire. Nguri cyande.
I have no idea.
Nanjye nta gitekerezo mfite cyundi we the outlaws dore ngabo. Kurikira wirebere rero. Agapime karacyagiye ngo nanjye ubwanjye nta gitekerezo mfite cyundi we. Agano idea. Kumbi yaraje yegera abagenzi yavana irimo kashi. Wasanga ubwo n'imizigo yarayipakiye yarangije arakandagira. Agapime nako karacyagiyeyo in the sold video library Peak Production Peak Studio.
Fuck.
Excuse me, sir, a moment. Yeah.
Mwaduha akanya gato.
He's lucky to be alive.
Ndabona ari bugira amahirwe yo kuba yaba ari ku gutwi burya kwari gucitse kabisa. He's like to be alive. Kurikira wirebere.
DEA.
Genda wa DEA dore ngabo di force. Yaje kongeramo agatege.
So, I need to know. You got it.
Uyu mugabo naramuka byutse cyangwa ari ikindi kibaye nkeneye kubimenya.
Let's go piece this together before the local cops mess it up.
Reka tujye kwegeranya ibintu byose byabasha kuba byafatwa n'abaloko yenda hari byabikeneye muri byo.
With our noses. We're on the front line, and on the front line we can't afford to.
Hanga tuvugana nitwe turi ku murongo wa mbere. Dore ngabo de suit. Yo nibo bari ku murongo wa mbere.
Breaking up these drug cartels and stemming the flow of drugs, weapons.
Tugomba guhagarika abantu bose bacuruza ibiyobyabwenge.
An only priority.
Kubera ko niyo kintu tunyine dufite inshingano aba DEA Drugs Enforcement Agents.
Davis, I need you on traffic cam to report back to me ASAP.
Davis nkeneye kumenya buri kimwe cyose kandi ukama report. Gakeneye kamenya buri kimwe cyose kandi akamuha report. Duturutse hakurya twagarutse hakuno hangaha. Ariho wa mupolisi ta Samuel dore ngo umurambo muri murawureba. Hari abandi bari baje kureba ibyahabere bakeneye kumenya amakuru. Dofland Green.
Looks like we're missing someone.
Bigaragara yenda ko hari icyo twabuze. It looks like we're missing someone. Haro twabuze.
Do we know the make and model?
I believe so.
Wabuze uburyo bahiga abantu neza? Yego nyakubahwa. I believe so.
Roadblocks in every highway, people in trains and bus stations, and check the...
Ndagira ngo mugende mureba impande zose ku mihanda, amagari ya mwuka, ahantu hari ibimodoka bitwara abantu, bus station.
You haven't processed everything.
Hari uwo turimo turabura hano.
I don't have
It looks like we're missing someone.
Yeah.
Bigaragara ko adahari kabisa dore ngabo.
Take a stab at it.
I think our missing friend here caused most of the damage. He came out with a
Ikintu kigaragara hano bigaragara ko ibyabaye byose nongo twabuze habaye icyaha kwangirika gukomeye cyane. Habaye kwangirika gukomeye cyane.
lot of shooting. Nothing hit. I think they may have hit one of their own. I'm still checking the trajectory on that.
Uko nakomeje kugenda mireba bigaragara ko bagiye basubiranamo. Dore ngabo uri kugenda bireba ukuntu byagenze.
And that's
Smart.
yeah, well,
Byo tekereje n'ubuhanga.
when Perp 6 hit him in the chest.
Ikindi kigaragara nuko umugabo yaje kuba yaraswa ntiyarashwe mu gatuza bwo yarashwe mu rubavu.
What about the chest hit?
We found a vest.
Ntame cyabaye niki?
Some blood on
Ko atarashwe mu gatuza twabonye vest yari yambaye ariko nta raso na rimwe ryariho ndetse na n'igikomere cy'isasu cyakiriho.
Okay, so he was down and there were still 3 men standing.
Clearly, he cracked his head pretty good when he fell down. He was down, but not out. Not immediately.
Ikintu kigaragara nuko uyu mugabo yaje kugwa akamara umwanya muremure atarongera kuba yahaguruka. Icyo kigaragara.
Ballistics report.
24 hours, maybe 36.
Iyi report yazoka mu gihe kingana ikimasaha 28 cyangwa amasaha 36 dore umugabo ngo arimo aratambuka.
Determine who our mystery guest is. We're hoping something comes.
Kugira ngo bamenye nk'isasu rya murashe ryaturutse hehe. Ndetse bamenye n'ibindi byose by'abari abantu kuntu bagiye barasana ndetse n'izo mbona niba ziri registered kuri bande ngo byatwara umwanya umugabo ari kwitegereza. Harangije icyo yakoze n'iki yakuye by nature harangije kuruha hakurya ari cyo arimo aritegereza uko ariko kireba kumena cyo kirimo kiramureba. Bigaragara ko hari abandi babizi. Harimo arareba ikigabo hakurya kumbe ikigabo nayo cyaramwitegereje.
Just here to lend you some local support.
Just don't get in my way.
Narinje kuba naguha ubufasha bwo mu gaturage ndagusabye ntungire mu nzira. Barakumbwiye bamuginga baramutuka ngo bari barakumbwiye. Just don't get my way. I'm just here to lend you some local support. Yitwande drug lord. Kabuhariwe. Cuzi ibyo bwenge kabuhariwe. Niba ari umwami w'abantu bose babicuruza. Aritegereza gutya ko mukore marareba bagenza amaso yakomeje kuhangura mu polisi. Hey.
Find out how and why this happened.
Tagira ngo mumenyere ngo byagenze gute ni impamvu yatumye bino biba.
Where they're taking the bodies.
Kandi nkene no kumenya ahantu muri ya murambo ugiye kujya.
And I don't care how you do it.
Ntago nzi uko muri bubikore.
Way to get me his body.
Ahubwo muhiga uburyo muri ya murambo we. Haravuga koko. Nibagira ngo ushinyagurire nicyo ntazi. Cyagiye kuba yagukoresha kindi kirenze cyo wagakwiye gukora. Ngo ntago nita ngo ni gute mubikoranga icyo shaka no kuri ya murambo uri bungireho. Muragiye muri bari. Aga film no karacyajyeyo. umugabo uko ari aho bigaragara ko mu bantu bacitse ndareba ariko barimo barambara bate batari bamuzi. Cyo ni ikindi kimwe. Bari kuvuga ko bagenzi hari uwo bari kubura. Se bari kubura Sharifu cyangwa bari kubura uyu.
Yes.
Mugira urwiherero.
You laugh. I miss you so much.
Mama, nanjye rega ndakubuze shengeza uburyo nkukumbuye. Urwiherero n'uruhare kwa mugore.
Right over there.
Ruri hakurya iriya. Hano ku matelefoni baba ariyo.
Alright.
Munabaza ngo urwiherero. Ngo ndagukumbuye cyane ngo ruri hariya hakurya. Ngo yaraje aratambuka yinjira hahandi mu rwiherero. Harakaraba yakomeretse kandi bigaragara bagenzi ko ntago ari ukomereka gusa. Dore no ku mutwe rero n'ikindi gikomere kandi kitari gitoya. Yaje hano mu rwiherero afite ibikomeresha. Dore ngicyo kimwe aho ngaho mukada ibi nikira. Harira sigaye utuvuta. Arongera arapfuka. Nano ku mutwe hari ibindi bikomere dore ngaho. Afite n'ibinini. Arongera yambara mu za style ze yari yambaye n'ubundi zimwesa nk'amaraso burya amaraso nariho ntago wapfa kubibona reka da. Byatwara umwanya. It can take time.
Brian Barnes.
Imodoka umugabo atwaye irimo imari koko za mari zabo zitemewe n'amategeko. Ibyo ndabyumva.
How can I help you?
Niki nagufasha di?
I need a locker, please.
Nyene urufunguzo bana nawe.
703. It's in the next.
Winjire muri 73. Handi harimo aratunganywa dore ngabo.
Have a good day.
Ugira umunsi mwiza kandi. Have a good day. Byazanye byose yaragiye abisigamo hariya muri 73 amaze kubisigamo araza asubira muri cya kimodoka yararimo. Murage mureba rero. Yatangiye kujya kuri za webline gushaka umugabo witwa Brian. Kumbe Brian uko yitegereza gutya Brian arimo arabona Brian ni imbohe. Ku mafoto uko bigaragara Brian bagenzi ni imfungwa. Brian Barries ngo yaje kuba yafatwa ryari atangiye bagenzi amashusho agenda muha. Brian ni imfungwa. Kumbe Brian arimo arareba w'imfungwa bagenzi Brian niwe. Uragireba rero.
Excuse me, sir.
Baranya kubaho.
It's a fire lane. You can't park here.
Aha ntago bajya bahaparika yitwa fire lane. Nanjye ndimo ndareba line yo kugenderamo. Nagaca abantu badaparikamo. Kandi yarahari bagenzi arimo aragira byinshi areba. Ari kureba ku mazina Brian. Kandi arebye Brian abona niwe Brian kandi abona we ari imfungwa. Yarari kureba amakuru bagenzi kuri Pado.
Shit.
Morning, Sheriff.
Waramutse.
Well, afternoon at this point.
Nako ni wiriwe.
Please don't get up.
Ndagusabye wihaguruka, please don't get up.
Need to bring anyone else in here.
Ntago byari ngombwa ko nzana abandi bantu.
They wanted me to wait, but
bari bambwiye ngo ntegereza ariko.
Well, you see, this situation is a bit time sensitive.
Ko igihe kirimo kiragenda burya ntago ari umwanya wo gutegereza.
Well, there's not much to say. We responded to a call.
ntago burya gihe nakubwira ngo hari byinshi byo kuvuga.
Saw something out at
Twagiye rero abantu benshi.
property. We checked it out.
Twabireba rebye.
You know the rest.
Uzi bisigaye rero byabaye nibyo nyine nawe ureba.
Let's just say you take me through it.
Wabimbwiye neza ariko. Unless you say take me through it. Mbwire neza uko byagenze. Kumburi uko arimo aravuga ngo wabwire neza uko byagenze. Twavuye hakurya tugaruka ahangaha nuvuga ngo uriya nawe ntabwo yarabyumva neza kumbe nde. The Broad. Ikobwa kiraho.
Strong cupcake.
Ni kwa kuri ka keke watetse cyangwa the lawyer. Lawyer aho ngaho. Ngaho. Oh.
Fine.
Nangerega nanjye nari meze neza mugabo n'umwavoka.
It's not your hand. That's why it's not so bad.
Garagara ko n'umunsi meze neza kabisa. Ngaho bafite amajwi ja.
Hey baby.
Mukundwa.
Who's asking?
Ninde uri kubaza ntawe. Yewe ugira ariko.
What I want? When I want.
Ikindi gihe wa mugore we.
Absolutely.
Tumenya neza ko mbona icyo nshaka igihe ngishakira.
All you need to know.
Kandi kigomba kumenya.
It's time to come to daddy.
Ni igihe kirageze nguze kwa so time to come to daddy hidriga. Hey ndikirapo. Ngabo.
Start talking to me like I like it, okay?
Kandi uzajya umvihito ndijye umvugisha neza nk'umuntu ushaka ko tuvugana. Sike. Kumbe iki kigabo bagenzi nicyo kigabo kitagira imico habe na gato. Burya abantu usanga imico yarashize pepe. Oje kora ibyo nkubwiye just doing exactly what I say. Kumbe mugaraho ka mwanya bakiri muri ibyo. Umugabo arimo araza. Waracyari ku modoka arimo aragenda yaraje hari aho yagiye gukatira. Aracyagenda. Havuye umuhanda mukuru hari urundi rugo bigaragara ko agiyeyo. Agikata bya ibi nikira. Yaguye mu rugo rwa mugabo.
Fuck.
Kabahambirwa baza kusura isa sha. Gabara. Ari cyo umugabo ajya kuvuga ijambo rikanga. Yikubwa impamvu. Yaje kwitegereza.
Hey!
Yewe sha. Wewe kibwa bite Jean?
Hey buddy.
Niko, wewe.
Hey!
Yewe. Shije guparika kandi wangira. Kuri pariki nyurana ni za leta cyangwa.
Hey!
Niko
Hey! Easy man.
Abuhorosha.
Want to make sure you're okay.
Nagira ngo menye kumeze risubirayo. Ngira. Twariga gake.
Lower the gun.
Mbunda yawe hasi.
About this?
Hasi reka tubiganire.
Sorry?
Ndihe.
Who the fuck are you?
Uri cyane.
I fucking live here, man.
Nijye utuye hano bantu.
You want to go?
Get back in the house.
We dusubire mu nzu nimero utuye hano. Dusubire mu nzu.
Hear me? Move! Just don't
Tugende.
Let's go.
Injiras.
Who's I saying no one gets hurt?
Let's hey! Okay. Hey! Get that! All right!
Chin.
I can help. Shut up!
Nagufasha ziba.
You don't need to do this.
Na mpamvu yatuma ubikora nkeneye gutekereza.
I can't call the cops.
Hey, look, we won't call the cops, I promise.
Ntago turi bamagara abapolisi n'isezerano kabisa.
You want to help me?
Ukeneye kumfasha?
Yeah. Okay. You got a garage?
Ufite garage?
You got rope?
Sure.
Afite n'imigozi tugendere niba ukeneye kumfasha.
Now we all move the unit.
Kigore nawe tugende. You got garage, you got rope. Rega ngo ufite garage, ngo ufite imigozi tugende ujye kumfasha rero. Icyo gihe ndemera ko ukeneye kumfasha. Ngari kubu ngubu ntacyo wamufashije. Umugabo ariyo. Ngari bwemere ko akeneye kumufasha rero ukambwiye ngo afite garage ndetse afite n'imigozi.
I knew I shouldn't have came in to work today.
Hana ndabizi uno munsi ntago nakabaye nakoze. Buse ndavuga ko umurambo w'abandi wagiye he. Nkamenya asigaye ni imari. Nkamenya aragurwa. Ni imari zikomeye cyane, nzara z'amano ziragurwa nazo ni izindi imari. Nga burya imari ngo abantu batwariye abantu bapfuye ni nyinshi. Hari n'izindi imari ntavuze. Kubera ko burya n'intoryi ngo zirahende abantu bamaze gupfa burya ngo ziragurwa. Kurikira wirebere rero. barakwereka wa murambo wa mwana waje ku mugabo hano, kandi uyu mugabo bigaragara bagenzi ko atishimiye kubona uyu murambo. Nasezeranyije nyoko wa mwana we ko nzakurinda. Yo, none dore ibyabaye. Look what happened. Wakaba uri kumwe hamwe nanjye. Ibyo wakoze wa mwana we. Ujya kwiyunga ku bapolisi. Uhindura amazina, changing names. Ibyo yakoze ntago ari byo. Iri ryose ni ikosa ryanjye.
I should have kept you closer.
Nakaba narakwiyegereje.
I should have kept an eye on you.
Nakaba burya nagucunze nkaguhoza amaso. Yo, kumbe bigaragara bagenzi kuno mwana n'uyu musaza bari bafitanye isano ya bugufi. Ngo yari yasezeranyije nyina ko azamurinda.
It's my fault.
Ni ikosa ryanjye.
It's my fault.
Ni ikosa ryanjye. Yumvira amagambo. It's my fault. It's my fault. Ngo ni ikosa ryanjye.
Tell me you have a name.
Mbwira ko ufite amazina y'ababikoze.
Be able to give us one.
Twabashije kubona rimwe gusa.
Let's go have a little chat with someone.
Reka tujye kugira uwo tuganira rero nawe.
I don't want him left alone.
Kaya ntago nkeneye ko yava
day and night.
Ntago nkeneye ko yava mu rugo. Agomba gucungwa amanywa nijoro.
And he stays above ground until the son of a bitch that did this.
Mwana wanjye hazashingurwa neza ari uko umwana wawe ntuza wundi muntu utazi se yagaragaye wanyiciye umwana.
Mataron a mi hijo ahora.
Iyumvire kirimi.
Please.
Ndagusabye.
Now I'm going to show you what happens.
Ngiye kuba nakwereka ibibariro. Ye unyibye. Ntago nigeze nkwiburya sinakwiba. Yewe. Twavuye hakurya tugaruka hakuno ahangaha baracyahambira. Kurikira wirebere rero. Ngo bari mu nzu y'abandi amaze kubaho banyiraho, kumbe cyakurikijeho no kuza kubarira n'ibiporezo byabo. Yaje kurya ibyabo. Marasakasaka niba hari byahishe muri iyi nzu nibasanzwe hamenyereye nibyo nta kubeshya. Hari byinshi bagenzi yaje areba Howard Siemens, Howard nde, harimo inyandiko, harimo ibiki. Aracyari gutekereza kuri byinshi. Kanya gato tubonye yireba kuri pado, kumbe yirebye tubona ni imbohe. Hari mu nzu y'abandi yamaze kubohoza, murajye mva ku bantu rero.
Today of all days.
Uyu munsi.
Off on the back nine to Schmitty's money.
Thinking about right now.
Ibyo byose muratekereza ni ifaranga n'ibindi, nta kintu na kimwe kizimutekereza.
You got any ideas?
Hari ibitekerezo ufite? You got any ideas? Kumuyarebye aricyo yabonyemo ka message ntuza ka read message nivuga n'ubutumwa. Ni ka message. Kandi gatarasomwa.
Black, I just got word from my contact at the hospital security.
Kirabura.
The good sheriff has checked himself out.
Hari icyo namaze kuba namenya burya ngo Sharifu yikuye kwa muganga. Yamagaye kirabura gitwa Black.
The good old sheriff discharged himself against doctor's orders.
Sharifu ngo yabashije kuba yakwikura kwa muganga aragenda. Sharifu wabo mwiza.
Runners against doctor's orders.
Bigaragara nuko yagiye akahunga amategeko yahunza amabwiriza ya dogiteri. Arimo arahunga iki ariko?
Drugged up man, get out of his hospital bed.
Uriya musaza ungana kuriya wikuye ku buriri bwo kwa muganga akaba yijyanye. Hari igitekerezo bifite ureka da.
From something to somewhere.
Bigaragara wenda ko hari icyaba kimuriho kimugeza ahandi kimujyana, uko niko ndi kubikeka. Ntago ari impamvu gusa zatuma yikura kwa muganga gutyo. Kirabura ngo no tuvugane bana.
Stay on the sheriff. Be careful.
Sharifu ndagira ukomeza ugende umuhanga ijisho kandi wirinde. Sibyo? Ukomeza ugende umuhanga ijisho ngo kandi wirinde. Ngiyo du Sharifu.
Give me a clear view of that license plate.
Now printing ibyo ari murakora nabyo bimpe neza mbisome. Sheriff ngo yikuye kwa muganga aragenda kumbe Sheriff arimo napakira uturiga arimo arapakira utwe murage mva ku bantu umuntu uja harimo arapakira. Kwa muganga havuye imiti itararangira ndetse n'ibyo bamwandikiye bitarashira. Byarakeneye byose ntago yabigezeho yarekeneye kwifatira ifaranga ngo akimuka ngo yari afite umugore n'abana babiri kandi yararambiwe imirimo. Michael Peya original names.
Baby, I missed you.
Sharifu yatangiye kugenda agira utwo yifatira ngo ngo ndari nkubuze. Baby I miss you nagacupa ariko n'abantu bakunda agacupa jabo. Burya yakwemera agapari kagapfira ku kantu rwose agapfira ku mazi agapfira ku mwenge. Twe twose yaratuzanye agakapashiraho ngaho nawe ntago yarariho nabi uko bigaragara. Ka passport n'udukashe duke nabyo yarafatashiraho ngaho. Arema arajya herero. Kumba kiri muri ibyo yarahamagawe. Yarahamagawe. Arongera arahamagarwa. Ibinikira.
Hey, Mike.
Yego Mike.
We're at the hospital.
Yeah, well, I signed myself out.
Narinze kuri kwa muganga kada nahikuye.
I hear you. Got a bit of a problem down here, though.
Bigaragara ko hari ikibazo kiri hano hafi rero.
Misplaced Sammy's body.
The hell are you talking about?
Hari isasu ryavuye
Place a body.
Ku mubiri wa Samuel kandi banawibye.
Are you serious?
Urabyizera neza ko bayibiko kuri ibyo murambo we?
Never got a chance to even process them.
Hanyuma isasu ntago turarangiza kuba twareba ryari rigiye mbunda. Isasu ryavuyemo barikuyemo kandi ngo umubiri bawibye.
Where the body went now?
Mwamuzana umubiri wagiye se?
No shit.
Nta na hamwe rwose hagaragara. Nta kimenyetso cyane umurambo wagiye. Kumbi yari muri ibi yitegereje we buretse gato ndaje.
I'll get right back to you.
Ndaje nongere nguhamagare. I'll get back to you. Ndaje nongere nguhamagare aricyo yatangiye kubona kirimo kira kubyigabyiga niba kibyigabyiga bikintu byo nta kubeshya. Patrias Neymar kirabyigabyiga. Ibi kigabo kiriyo kumbe ni kinini yawe dore ngamo ndakakurogamwo kagira imana ngo dore igipfuza.
Son of a bitch breaking my house.
Mwana w'imbwa shauza Sharif dukeneye kuganira. Yaratangiye kuvuga amagambo menshi. Dukeneye kuganira. Igira hirya nawe.
You nervous, Sheriff?
Sharif urababaye? Kumbonye?
It's been a long day.
Nagize umunsi mwinshi niyo mpamvu muremure.
But I got a problem I think you can help me with.
Hari ikibazo nanjye mfite burya naketse ko wakimfasha. Icyo ni ikiherero. Uranzi? Abantu bose baranzi.
Who you are?
Ye bose barakuzi.
Someone stole a lot of money from me.
Hari uwanyibye amafaranga menshi. Ibyo byo nabyihorera.
You can help me.
Ibyo nzi ko wabimfasha.
Who killed my man?
Ariko nyeneye ko kumenya nde wanyiciye abantu bahangiye hakurya iriya.
I'm gonna tell you. When we got there,
icyo nakubwira twagezeyo.
Except for the one.
Abantu bose bari bagiye bapakire kumwe gusa bandashe ugutwi. Niye muzima na hasanze.
I want you.
Look, I just don't know. I just don't know how I can help you.
Ntago nzire uburyo nge nagufasha.
One of them was my son.
Umwe mu bantu barashwe yari umwana wanjye.
When I got there, they were already dead.
Nge nageze hari abantu bose bapfuye ariko.
My son was with you.
Mwana wanjye yari kumwe nawe Sharifu ntukambeshye. Ngabo.
Sorry,
wihangane.
Sam was a good deputy.
Samuel yari umwana mwiza kabisa uzi gukora imirimo.
About that guy that shot you.
Look, he shot.
Uwo muntu wakurashe yaturashe twembi.
He shot Sammy, and I tried to help him, and he shot.
Yarashe Samuel ngerageje kumufasha nanjye arandasa.
Tell me about him.
Yari cyo mumbwiraho.
Face for.
Ugira ngo namurebye se? Ko namurebye nk'amasegonda nk'atatu.
Was more, but I never saw this guy before.
Ntago uyu mugabo nigeze mubona kuva nabaho buryo buzima bwanjye bwose.
People are.
Ntago nzi n'uwo ari we.
Maybe you can help me find him.
Hari buryo bamfasha kumuhiga rero. Maybe you can help me to find him. Bigaragara ko wari ufite urugendo Sharif.
He's taken over.
Reka da nuko nagira ngo ndebe uburyo nagira ahantu huka mfreshes.
Police. Work with them.
Hano hari abapolisi baje ba DA. Ndagira ngo ukorane nabo.
Well,
byiza.
That sounds just fine, Mr.
Ibyo ndumva ari byiza kabisa.
This guy stole $3 million from me.
Abagabo banyibye miliyoni 3 z'idolari.
I'll give you a hefty.
Nuramuka uzigaruye nagenda zo uburyo ugomba kubaho ushaje neza.
Sounds like a good deal.
Ibyo birumvikana rwose ko ari akazi keza. It sounds like a good deal. Ngabo.
You gonna keep pointing that gun at me, partner?
Rakomeje ntungiye mbunda mwunganizi cyangwa urabireka. Ngurakomeza uyintunge cyangwa urabireka. Mwunganizi.
You know me.
Ngira ngo uranzi.
So you know what happens if you don't.
Kandi urabizi biba iyo utakoze ibyo ushaka. Then you know what happen if you don't.
Good deal.
Twumvikanye. Ngiye tugende sha. Twigendere. Ngo twumvikanye. Nawe ugira umunsi mwiza rero. Byari byiza ko dukorana business Perez. Ngo bibaye byiza ko bagiye gukorana ubucuruzi we na Perez. Yitwa Perez. Muragiye muribarira agafilm no karacyageyo.
Damn.
Something's wrong. I don't know, but hiding something.
You might be playing us.
Icyo ni ndakeka ku buryo mwe cyangwa ubundi amwe basanga ari cyane muraduhisha.
You know what?
Urabizi?
Keep somebody on him.
Igira umuntu buryo umucunga akomeza mucunga jisho.
Plan on letting him keep the money?
Uragira ngo tumureke ifaranga barigumane oya.
No, come on.
Wege no tugende ibintu turayimenya ja. Kurikira wirebere kumbe muri ayo masari wa mwirabura bita black mwirabura. Kirabura uraho yagiye guhamagara. Narindi kwa Sharifu hari plate narimbonye license plate nuvuga ni plaque za nimero y'imodoka narimbonye ngira ngunguhe.
Okay.
Nyetse arenda kwari ryo wasanga uzikeneye.
People, this case just got a lot more interesting.
Bantu nagira mbabwire ngino case none bwirashimishe cyane.
At the house of our friendly
Uyu mugabo Perez ngo yagaragaye avuye mu nzu ya Sharifu.
like Mateo
Dan Perez.
with the sheriff.
Twakibaza ngo niki ubundi afitanye rimwe arakora na Sharifu.
Just found out that our little dead deputy is the son of the most successful.
Ikindi kintu kigaragara nuko uriya deputy wacu apfuye burya ngo n'umwana w'ikebe kabaresha ari Perez.
Perez's gang, but there's been no connection with the sheriff until now. What is going on? People,
ibyabaye byose kuva na kera Sharifu nigeze korana n'uyu mugabo kereka uno munsi gusa nibwo bakoranye. Bantu ndagira ngo mumenyere ngo n'ibiki birimo birajya mbere hafi aho ngaho.
Let's try and stand up back to back.
Hell no.
Okay?
You're gonna get us killed.
Do what I tell you to do. When I go 1, 2, 3, back to back, we're gonna stand up. We're gonna get the hell out of here.
Hell no.
Oh, just do it.
Diru ya mbere nkeneye gukora
3.
ndagira ngo tujye tubara duhaguruke. 3. Utabivuga akagira umuntu byumva.
Stand up.
Duhaguruke. Yaba uri muranyicerega mama mugatuza. Ngabo. Wareke ariko.
Idiot.
Meze nkaho uri ikigoryi. Uranyita ikigoryi ya mugore. Nta n'isoni imbere yanjye ukanyita ikigoryi. Genda ikigoryi. Mugabo yaje hano kutwica.
And we don't piss him off.
Reka dutuze rero utaza kumurakaza. kumbe uyu mugabo hari ibintu arimo aragenda bagenza ashushanya mu bwonko bwe kugira ngo bize bigaragara ko nawe kwibuka birimo biramuvuna kandi arimo arabyibuka akabyibuka ari muri gereza.
What the hell happened to you?
Ibyo ni iki byakubayeho?
What's going on?
Hey! What are you doing? Shh. What do you mean? Shh. What?
I need to go to the bathroom.
Nari nkeneye kuba najya ku rwiherero nyine nk'umuntu mukuru. Ndakeneye kuba ajya ku rwiherero.
Where's your manners, boy?
Neko.
You don't talk to a woman like that.
N'umugabo urongera kugira ikibazo hano uranteza ikibazo.
Highway 5 driving into this area.
Bantu rero turimo mu kazi kamwe.
We have roadblocks in every highway and we're conducting house.
Twagiye dufunga buri mihanda yose bigaragara ko ari wese wacitse hariya habereye biriya bintu ntago arajya kure. Ari na Sharif ku giti cye najya kugira hajya turabimenya.
Since we yet haven't located the van, we're still assuming he is in the...
Kugeza kuri minota van yari hariya yabuze ndetse n'uwayitwaye ntago turamumenya.
Yes. We've extracted an image from a street cam.
Hari agasho burya twakwiye ku mihanda.
Haven't yet identified the suspect.
Uyu mugabo turimo turashinja ntago turamenya neza ngo ninde.
The suspect in the murder of a law enforcement officer.
Kubera ko yine bigaragara ko ari ushobora kuba yisha abantu benshi ndetse akica n'umupolisi waruriyo.
Questions?
Hari ibibazo mufite kuri iyo mpamvu? Iyo nta kibazo kandi burya nabwo murabivuga. Vuga ko mwanyuzwe.
Let's go catch this guy before he kills anyone else.
Reka tujye guhiga uno mugabo mbere yuko yagira abandi bantu yakwica. Let's go catch this guy before kills anyone else. Kurikira wirebere rero. Bajye kumwica mbere yuko yagira undi n'umwe yica.
Brian. How do you know my name?
Is this a joke? You're supposed to get me out.
Brian, uzi gute izina ryanjye ariko iyi ni imikino Brian. Bagakwiye kuba babunguye hano.
Phone call, nothing.
Narategereje ntigeze uhamagara na kimwe nigeze numva. Wabaye ute?
What are you thinking? Where's Bob?
Uri gutekereza iki ubundi Bob ari he?
I've never seen you before in my goddamn life.
Ntago nigeze nkubona mbere y'ubuzima bwanjye bwose.
What the hell happened?
Nibiki byabaye ewe igirayo?
You understand me?
Okay, okay.
Uranyumva neza igirayo.
Look at me, Brian.
Ndeba neza Brian.
You know me.
Uranzi.
Christine.
Ndi Christina.
Fucked up happened. But I can help you.
Ahari wagira ngo ntago wibuka ariko je nagufasha.
Put the gun down.
Shiriye mbunda hasi uri muranera intuza. Ki? Mukobwa ngo yitwa Christina. Byabayeho nibiki byakubayeho? Uyitwa Brian, ngo yakoranaga n'undi bitaga Bob.
Just tell me what happened, honey.
Je mbwira ibyabaye mukundwa. Just tell me what happened, honey.
I was shot.
Nararashwe.
I know it's all just a blur.
Well, what do you remember?
Nothing. Understand? I don't remember a goddamn thing. It's all just kind of faces and noise and shit.
I'm sure it's just temporary.
No, it's not temporary. I'm in trouble here.
Ahanga ajye gutya tureba nafite ikibazo gikomeye kubera ko narashwe nta na kimwe nibuka.
I shot a cop.
Narashe umupolisi.
I know I shot other people too. I just
ntago nzi nabandi narashe ariko nuba nabarashe.
Now why would you go shooting cops?
Kubera iki ubundi wagiye kurasa abapolisi wagira ngo bigende bite?
We'll just have to figure it out.
Dukeneye kuba twamenya byinshi byakubayeho.
First,
ariko ubwa mbere
we gotta take care of Howard.
Tugomba kubanza tukarangiza ikibazo cya Howard.
Right?
Howard turamuhora iki?
That's right.
Okay. Well, that explains the money and what I was doing there.
Money?
Hari ifaranga ryinshi ryari hari. Ifaranga?
I didn't tell you about it.
Harya nago nari arikubwiye.
How much money are we talking about?
Yarangahe ubundi?
I don't know. A couple million.
Ntago mbizi ariko na mamiliyoni.
You really are my hero.
Nayagenewe intwari yanjye. Reka muri intwari y'umunsi. Ngo ni intwari y'umunsi. Yewe kumbe mugabo. Yewe we. Cyo ni gishafu tero kuruzi cyangwa. Turn around. Hindukira.
What are you doing, Brad?
Nagira ngo bigende bite? What are you doing? Barebye gutya bagenza umugore mutima gatatu inyuma ye. Inyuma y'ibitugu bye.
I am gonna take care of you.
Nanjye buri yangiye kukwitaho shaho. Ndakwitaho uri bugire ngo nishyira hamwe. I am going to take care of you.
So the mess this man made, what do you do with it?
Nkeneye kumenya ibyo uriya mugabo yasuye no nk'umwanda icyo yabikoresha yewe.
I threw it in the trash.
Nabijugunye mu mwanda.
The bathroom looked like someone
nagiye muri rwiherero ngira ngo na umuntu wapfiriyeyo. Ngagiye mu rwiherero ngira ngo umuntu wapfiriyeyo.
You got cameras in the bathrooms?
Mfite bwa kamera buba mu rwiherero.
Now, sir.
Hoya nyakubaha.
No, that is so illegal.
Urabizi neza ko bitemewe n'amategeko. Kurunguruka ubwambure bw'abantu.
Show me where you threw the trash.
Ngaho nyereka aho wamennye iyo myanda rero. Ngo namwereka aho yamennye iyo myanda mama.
I need to see footage from that camera.
Kandi nyene no kureba amashusho ubu yavuye kuri iriya kamera yo hejuru. I need to see footage from that camera. Harebye gutya do. Yewe. Aka message karaje ngo Sharifu wa mushuti wacu yazanye imyanda aramuhereza.
Is this guy dangerous or something?
Uyu mugabo yaba ari mubi cyangwa hari buryo yaba ari mubi cyane cyangwa
or something.
Agaseka. Kurikira wirebere.
Footage from the security cam.
Nkeneye n'amashusho rero avuye kuri bwa kamera hejuru.
Why don't you tell me who this guy is first?
Abanje ukambwira umuntu hari wese ubundi. Gererego burya ntago abantu bajya papa kuza bankanga gutya. Wene yakuye ka kamera atangira kumuri coding. Ubwo barahindukira naramureba ntavuga byinshi.
Do you know a good proctologist?
Uzi ibyo urimo?
Because if you don't put that camera down,
aka kamera nutagashyira hasi wa mukobwa we.
Video.
Aka video yafashe ngo gasibe.
It's so far up your ass that you'll taste it.
Hari giye burya wana kwicaza ahantu habi cyane kuzahihagurutsa bigakonanira.
Your fucking day with the security cam would be just lovely.
Ubundi wakaba iri muri ama ngaho ngabara muhereza ibyavuye kuri ka security camera.
Your cooperation.
Kandi namuka umvikanye neza biraza gukorohera cyane.
Howdy, Sheriff.
Jesse?
Kumbiye ko yakaje ari cyaje hamagara Jesse.
What the hell happened in here?
Nibiki byabaye hano Jesse?
Those agents came by.
Hari abagenti baje ngo aribyo bashakaga.
What's that?
Ninde wabyemeje?
Really? They had all them badges and paper.
N'igihe bari bafite za badges ndetse n'ibyangombwa bemerera.
Son of a bitch.
Bari abana bantuza shaho.
Hey, Sheriff.
Sharifu ugira umunsi mwiza rero. Sharifu yaragarutse mu biro by'asanga harabaje kumusura kandi hari ibindi byinshi bagiye batwara. Mukire yambwiye ngo nidukorana neza nzaguha amafaranga y'amasaziro. Rekana n'ibyo wirirwa ubeshya beshya. Naye muri make akeneye ifaranga ry'isaziro. Ngarekane n'ibyo yirirwa abeshya beshya ye. Mama we murage mwumva rero. Fatlia Cinema kurikira wirebere. Mike.
Sheriff?
Wiriwe Sheriff. Wiriwe Mike.
Sheriff, you look like shit.
Sheriff kusa nk'umwandara.
It's a good day to mind your own damn business.
Waje kobwa uyu umunsi mwiza wo kugira ngo umenye ibyawe gusa iby'abandi ntubimenye.
Right, Archie.
It's a good day to mind your own business.
Thank you very much. Listen to me, Mike.
Ndagira ngo nyumve Mike we.
They shut me out. I got zero access.
Abantu basa nkaho bamereye nabi nta access nimwe mfite ku byanjye.
What they do?
Now they shut you out for a reason.
Ya baguhagaritse kubw'impamvu ariko.
And you didn't hear nothing from me, okay?
Nta na kimwe wigeze wumva kuri jye.
Right now.
Sibyo?
Come on, deputy.
Komeza umbwire mwunganizi.
Hot shot from the city. Now you're suspect.
Nonanga tuvugana urimo urashinjwa.
They shut my
urimo urakekwa nkaba nirashe.
I'm disabled.
Ugutwi.
I could take my goddamn pension and walk.
Urumva jewe uko bimeze nshatse nafata na pension yanjye nangiza nkabaho. Imyaka maze nkora irahagije.
I know, and we all.
Yo ndabizi ariko twese turabizi.
These boys are serious, Sheriff.
Abantu bari serious.
Don't add up about that crime scene.
Bageze kuri crime scene aho ibyaha byabereye bareba buri kimwe cyose.
How the hell they want to tie me to Sam's death without a...
Kubera iki bagira ngo banshireho urupfu rwa Samweli?
I'd been up before some brown-nosed intern pulled the...
Kubera amakuru yose yagiye agaragara ko ari wowe.
Ballistics had a match for your gun.
Isasu ryamukuwe mu mubiri ryari rwose rifite rihuje n'amasasu agenda mu mbunda yawe.
I do, but rules.
Bwirizwa ni ibwirizwa.
Take in. Now these things kind of sort themselves out, so you got to trust me here.
Now, Mike, you know that's not gonna happen.
Mike kandi urabizi ko bitari buze kuba kumbiye kuyo n'imbunda.
I don't think the DA is gonna go that far.
Je nago nizera neza ko DA bari buze kugendaho cyane. Ariko hari ibindi byinshi bakiri kwiga.
The Mateo Perez? Jeez, what you get yourself into?
Huriya n'umwana Mateo Perez kandi nari ndimo ndakorana nawe.
He wants me to find the guy and hand him over.
Harimo aragira ngo muhigire umuntu amwiciye umwana mumuhe.
Bitch and hand him over.
Nanjye ndimo ndahiga umuntu wawe wishe umwana we mumuhe.
Dead bodies of people who have tangled with him to know that you don't tangle with Mateo Perez.
Burya wakina n'imirambo gakina n'ibintu byose byapfa ariko ntago wakina na Mateo Perez.
I just need a little time.
Nkeneye akanya gato kwanza. Nibe ko nakora imirimo ye nkayirangiza.
I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. You forget the DEA.
Reka nanjye nkubwire ibyo ndi bukore reka twibagirwe DEA.
That's our business anyway, right?
Twikoreye ibyo twakora ngo twayadukorana. Ndaza kumera nkaho ntigeze nanahura nawe. Ko barimo baraguhiga impande n'impande ibyo koze nibyo.
You turn yourself in once you get this all squared away, right?
Uzigaragaze muri leta bagufate banakubaze ariko umaze kurangiza ibyo ngibyo uri murakora.
Ask.
Uko niko bimeze igihe cyose uzakina ubufasha ujye umpamagara.
Let's concentrate in their investigation. Give me something, anything. They shut me out and time is running out.
Ndagira ngo ugire ikintu mfasha barampagaritse ku byanjye byose no mu biro byanjye bagiyeyo kandi igihe kirimo kiransiga. Kurikira wirebere rero. Agafilm nako karacyajyeyo. Twavuye hakurya iriya tugaruka hakuno abasinzi ibyo barimo. Bantu murajye mwirinda ibintu nk'ibyo ngibyo ntago ari ibintu byo gukina nabyo. Ibyo ni ibintu bitera ibibazo byinshi cyane. Cyane ku rubyiruko murajye mwirinda. Umugabo naho arimo aragenda atira byinshi atekereza kandi ibyo arimo aratekereza arimo abona abagenzi umugore bari kumwe afite tatu ku mugongo itandukanye na tatuwaje yajyaga abona mbere ariko ubwonko bwe bukamwereka ko bari we mugore niba ari we mugore wahinduye tatu nibyo nta kubeshya tatuwaje n'ibirabimenyetso bagenda bishyiraho
I told you I didn't want to be disturbed.
nakubwiye ntago nkeneye kubangamirwa. I told you I don't want to be disturbed. Ibyo ni iki? Kwagarutse hano kwa Howard. Uyu mugabo Howard.
Okay, just a little bit more. Come on.
Na mfasha. Come on.
God damn, I gotta be more careful with these.
We could leave and take the money and just disappear.
Tukaburya twakwigendera tugafasha kashe tukabura.
We talked about that.
Ibyo nago twiye tubivugana ariko.
There are ways around that.
Teka ryose abahari uburyo ariko abantu bagenda buryo bakava mu byago.
All right, well, let's just vanish and disappear into the sunset.
Reka twigendere tubure. Tugiye kwiga handi hano tuburira.
Being without you. Let's
Ngiye kubera ko burya naho naba ntari kumwe nawe.
What the fuck is that?
Ibyo ni iki? Kumba umukire bagenzi hamagaje indeta dore nga mu nzu ye hamagaje indeta nagakeneye ibibazo byinshi.
Shit. The phone's dead.
Utunimero twose twahagaze na kimwe kirimo kirakora.
Company calls and clears it. They'll send a car if no one answers.
We gotta go now, you understand?
Tukeneye kuba twagenda sibyo? We got to go now, you understand?
No, leave him.
Fasha hano hari umuriro. Wakatsindwa unziye mu nzu nkande dore ngaha. Ngo wagatsindwa ngo unziye mu nzu nkande. Yewe. Ibi ni kira.
Fuck you, man.
Kigabo kiraho kirakaze kubera ukuntu ari n'ikicanye gikomeye. Igikobwa no cyaturuye imbunda.
My fucking nose.
Nginga mvunye izuru kabisa. Broken my fucking noise.
What are you doing?
Yiri murakora n'icyo yagikobwa. Christine.
Give me the gun, Chris.
Merezi yo mbona Christine.
Off.
Egerayo.
What?
Iki?
Okay.
Yes.
Back the hell up.
Nawe subirayo. Back the hell off. Ndakurasa.
Really?
Uravugisha ukuri.
Plans change.
Gahunda zahindutse, plans change.
Plus, that's a lot of money.
Kubera ko rero ni ifaranga ryinshi.
Give me the keys.
Mereza imfunguzo. Give me the keys. Arazimunagira.
What are you doing?
Urimo urakora icyo wagikobwa.
How long you been fucking him?
Maze igihe kingana iki we nawe mubonana
You pathetic bitch. I fucking hate you.
Ndanakwanze wakira aramutuka.
Right back in that trailer trash park that I found you in.
Zagusubiza muri wa mwanda nagukuyemo. Gazamusubiza mwanda yamukuyemo mama.
About the money, Chris.
It's always about the money, honey.
Teka byurye teka ryose na amafaranga mukundwa. Massage. Ngo kuri massage. Ngo burya iteka ryose babihagaze rega mama kuri kashi burya kashi sitarimo ntacyo byabimaze. Sherifu yabonye nta kundi byagenda ajya kurira ka massage ku mubiri ko yumvaga ananiwe. Nta kundi nyine.
Just get married. That way I can get you your green card.
Baze mama kuva rwose burya nashaka umugore. Burya nari ntarabona no green card yawe ngo ni green card. Nagakarite ngo kamahirwe.
Shit.
Ibi ni iki ndeba nk'umwandara.
Yeah, Mike.
Yego Mike.
Get this for me. Maybe something, maybe nothing. Got a call about a house alarm in Madison. Guy who owns the house is Mateo Perez's lawyer.
Hari akantu kamwe nemaze kuba nabona. Mateo Perez amaze kuba yakohereza abantu. Konzu y'abamwava kabitaho Howrit. Ndagira ngo utaza gupfa ariko abasore niho bari kandi mutindura asanga bavuyeyo. Don't get yourself killed. Kuri yanzu yawe nitwa Howard.
I swear to God, I won't stop looking. Not until I find the fucking both of you.
Ntago nzigera mpagarara guhiga kereka igihe nzababonera. Not till I found.
Doing?
Yari kiri gukora.
Him like I do.
we ntago muzi nkuko muzi. Uyu ngabo ni inyamaswa. Ni umushimusi. Fata ku mbaraga.
And again.
Yafashe ku mbaraga bwa mbere, bwa kabiri, bwa gatatu, arongera mpaka bigira akamenyero.
Get out of here.
Fata ifaranga tuve hano tugende.
Right now.
Tugende. Kumbe bakiri muri byari kindi cyazaga.
Drop your fucking guns.
Mbunda zanyu zose hasi. Sharif.
Your boyfriend.
Hegera iyo boyfriend cyawe sha. Yo Sharif.
Drop the fucking gun.
Mbunda hasi we jinga.
Motherfucker.
Yewe.
Shit.
Yo.
Did you miss me? I'm sure glad to see you.
Waronkumbuye.
You fucked up my day, son.
Mwana muto ejo bundi niwe wanyangirije umunsi sha. In fact my day, son.
Dumb shit, we could have been partners on this.
God damn, I don't think to see you again.
Yeah, well, next time you better kill me all the way.
Ikindi gihe uzajya unyicunyishe wa muginga.
Strain yourself. I could get two shits about the trouble you got yourself into.
Wa kiginga bagenda umvaga nakeneye kuba namenya imyanda wishyizemo cyangwa indi. Bagomba guteka tugakemura ikibazo.
Where the fuck is it?
Amafaranga ari he?
Right here.
You think I'm
ari hano. Urimo urakeka ndi ikigoryi? You think I'm stupid?
Now where's the rest?
I'm about to put that money somewhere safe.
Amafaranga yandi ari he? Ntago amafaranga arayo gusa.
That's the problem. With all this head trauma and shit, I can't remember.
Nanjye nagize ikibazo gikomeye, hari byinshi nta kwibuka. Yewe.
I'm gonna count to 5 and then
ngiye kubara kuri gatanu kino gikobwa ndaba nkimenye ubwongo.
If you don't tell me where the goddamn
Nuramuka utambwiye hano ifaranga riri.
Please tell us where you put the money.
Tubwira hano ifaranga riri.
4.
Kane.
Shooter.
Tukikomeza ukirasa.
Remember.
Nanjye ntago nibuka.
5 bags of money in the back of that van.
Wamuginga amafaranga yose ari muri kiriya kimodoka ntago wapfa kuyatwara gutya. Cyangwa mbere izo ntoryi zawe zose zishwanyaguriza aho ngaho hasi. Wareba hanze abandi bagutegereje do. You may wanna look outside. Hanze hari ibindi byari birimo biraza.
Nobody touches the sheriff. He's mine.
Hatagira na kimwe gikora kuri Sheriff kubera ko Sheriff ni uwanjye. Nobody touches the Sheriff, ngo Sheriff is mine. Mutachi ngo the Sheriff, ngo ni the Sheriff. The Sheriff. Mugabo ngo ni the Sheriff. Nobody touches the Sheriff, ngo the Sheriff is mine. Murajyumva ku imyaka. Ngo the Sheriff is mine.
Christine, come here. Put your head down, get down. And don't move, you understand?
Christine, gira hino ryama hasi ntwebeshye unyeganye urumva neza. Don't move, you understand?
Sam!
The Sheriff yifatiyemo kandi ba cartels nabo baje kumwihigira. Drug cartel, drug lord. Sharif icyo ashaka ni cash, akeneye kuruhuka neza afite cash. Ibindi byo ntabyitayeho, dore ngaho Sharif. Ainya.
Okay, asshole.
Byiza rero kwicara.
Where's the goddamn money?
Ifaranga riri he?
Blow your fucking balls off.
Ndakumena izo ntoryi giye wa blow your fucking balls off.
Yours.
Urabyumva Jean?
Money in the world and you can't get laid.
Uri mwisi udashoboye kugenda he? Kumbe. Byarabonanye na Dani Mateo Perez dore ngaho. Byarahuye murage mureba rero. Faranga rero hakurya ikobwa kirimo kinazire bagiye yambwiye ngo umwana ngo simbye okay. Sege nakomeza nkakirana na kashe ngo cyabana mubeshesha. Barasanye bicaye dore ngaho.
Like father, like son.
Kumwana apfuye niko nasapfuye like father like son.
Para amigo, cabrón.
Ngo para amigo cabrón icyo ni kirimi ngaho. Nawe yaramujyanye. Like father like son. Para amigo cabrón icyo ni kirimi kiwabo. Kumbe iki ngiki bishyuzaga cash. Kana amahirwe ni iki? Ngo wagira ngo ni nko kugwa mu ijuru. Kurikira wirebere rero.
Come in.
Long night.
Whew.
Pulled all the footage from the surrounding traffic cams. Take a look at photo number 2.
Thank you, Davis.
Ya urakoze Davis. Vivica Fox, original name. Kumbatangiye bagenzwa akizezinga rebye gutya kamodoka kanditse kuri nde. Bari murage mureba rero. Driving license, plate number. Byose nabyamugaba Paris.
Found our guy.
Twabonye umuntu wacu.
Traffic cams show a van blowing through red lights. It's now in the parking garage at the Streamline bus station.
Iyi modoka turi kuvugana gutya iparitse bagenzi ahantu bita kuri Streamline ahantu mu modoka buhagarara bwo bisi butwara abantu.
I need you to bring him in alive.
Ndagira ngo abasore bose mazana bazima kumbe abantu bapfuye bashize. Ngaragira ngo abantu bose bariyo baza ari bazima. Iyi modoka yari iparitse ku modoka bagenzi nayo ni ya Paris. Urajya ureba. Nereze imfunguzo. Give me the keys. Kumbu yamuhaye imfunguzo. Gikobwa bahaye imfunguzo dore ko cyakagiye hijyanye n'udukashi. Niko yakaje ari cya aho yasize abitse ibintu igikobwa n'icyo cyari cyabitwaye byose. Bantu murage mureba. Kuba cyabitwaye. Imodoka yari iparitse. Uyavuyeyo. Narimo aragenda aricya kumbe wa mupolisi DEA, Drugs Enforcement Agents. Ari hakurya. Brian.
We need to talk.
Dukeneye kuganira.
I know my name.
Nta mafaranga yarari eno mandea. Ngo nta faranga ryari ririyo. Ubwo nuvuga ko nabiganira. Binikira. Mugabo bagenzi yishumureta. Yishumureta kandi kwicumureta ni ikibazo gikomeye. Ni ikibazo kinini kwicumureta. bantu murajye mureba umugabo yishe umureta kandi kwica umureta ni icyaha kinini gihanwa n'amategeko kandi bagenza amategeko bagihana yihanukiriye.
Got another, please.
burya mpamo n'akandi bana kamwe.
Okay, tough guy. Your funeral.
Yeah.
Ugukomeza ukisuka mu burya ni kuri kwiyongerera igituro rero. Mukanya gaturashiduka rwose bajya kuguhamba. Ngaba. Kariya nakayoga ngunywa ukakanywa ku rugerero kubera ko urusha ukanywa cyane burya ngo buri kwiyongerera iminsi mike.
We're here now with Agent Amani Cole from the drug.
Uyu munsi je Agent Amani Cole turi kuvugana na Agent Amani Cole.
Most successful drug lords in history.
Kuri uyu munsi twahitanye burya umucuruzi w'abwenge ku mateka rwose.
We lost several.
Twabuze abantu benshi cyane. Ariko ubundi mbona yivugira mu kuri haramutse hagize uwaba. Yabonye Brian Michelson. Yatubwira Maniko.
Michelson's family as they made a request for more.
Uyu mugabo Michelson akaba ari umuntu wakoze imirimo cyane ya leta kandi akaba akenewe. Kubera ko umugore ngana mubuze.
Where is family?
Hano yanjye twari tumukeneye ngaza bari kumwe n'umuryango we. Turimo turamukumbura cyane uyatangira kugenda bagenza mwibuka.
Promise me this is gonna be the last one.
Jewe unyizeze ko ingiye ariyo mission yanyu mugiye kujyamo. Promise me this is gonna be the last one.
Promise.
Iryo ni isezerano.
Final mission.
Burya nzahita mbirika rwose ntago nzongera kubikora.
Okay.
Mwana muto nazagukumbura ndabakunda. Papa.
Come here, honey.
Agera no gikobwa kumbe bagenza umugabo baragiye kujya mu kazi.
Daddy, please don't leave.
Papa ndagusabye wigenda.
Okay, I promise.
Nzagaruka mwana wanjye ni isezerano rwose nzagaruka.
I'll miss you too.
Nanjye nzakubura burya ngukumbure.
Promise me this is gonna be the last.
Nyizeze ko buzaribwo buryo bwa nyuma dore ngaba arimo aragenda byibuka.
Transfer request.
Ako ni ka transfer nje kuba nasaba.
My wife needs to know I'm coming home at night.
Ibyo kuzajya mpora ntaha burya mu gicuku maze kuba nabirambirwa.
I'll do this one last one in the field, but
ngiye kuba nakora na mission bwa nyuma ngiye kuyikora. Ariko ndagira ngo nyuma y'ibingi binzahite mpagarara.
For a long time.
Ibyo nta kibazo. Byose bagenzi arimo aragenda byibuka. Kumbe uyu witabye Imana nawe yari umukozi yakoranaga n'uyu na Brian Michelson. Hari ibintu ugiye utekereza ra? Do you have a second thought?
You about ready?
Waba witeguye?
Meet your alias. Brian Barnes.
Ugiye guhindura amazina uzitwa Dimitri Elias.
Burn what you don't need.
Ibi byose nibyo uzakenera harimo ibyangombwa ndetse n'udufaranga uri aterura telefoni y'uyu nawe aterura telefoni y'uriya.
We're in this together.
Ibi byose turi kumwe jye nawe umugabo agenza ubwonko bwe buri kugenda bwibuka ibyaba byari byo byose. Tuzaba turi kumwe buri kugenda bumuhereza kandi bagenza bukamwibutsa. Bantu murajye mureba Fatlia Cinema ko ari kurushaho kugenda byibuka.
I'm just scared.
Nanjye igihe mfite ubwoba.
We can and will protect you.
We nugira ikibazo tuzakurinda. Kumbe uyu mukobwa bagenzi nawe bakoranye muri iyi mission.
I need to disappear.
Njye nibiramuka binarangiye nkeneye kuzahita mbura.
Promise.
Iryo ni isezerano.
Take you away from all this.
Tuzagukura kure ibi byose by'ibibazo.
Protection.
Tuzaguha buriya tuzaguha uburinzi burya tuzaguha uburinzi.
People work through. If you help us nail your husband's boss, it's not enough.
Kintu gihari none hanga uriya turimo turavugana mu kudufashije none hanga urabufashije abantu benshi.
If they figure out you're a cop,
nagera baramuka bamenye ko uri umupolisi igihe nakoranye nabigiye kirekire.
find out how much you know first.
Bazakenera kubanza kumenya ngo nibicyuzi bakeneye kumenya nibicyo washakaga. Byose ntago bizigera bimenyekana.
We take you how it will never be able to find you.
Nge nzakujyana ka Howard nta nubwo azigera amenya ngo n'icyo ukorera. Kumbe Howard ni yakoranaga abagenzi na biriya byihebeye kubera ko ni wari umucamanza wabo. yari umuvugizi wa biriya byihebe. Howard bagombaga kuzamujyana kwa Howard, nta nubwo yari kuzigera amenya ngo bimeze bite. Shako karimo karakora, kano kayoga burya karakaramba, karakaramba rwose. Ngicyo cyari kiri gukora, ubwo barimo aragenda byibuka byose. Mwibuke ko yamaze kwitaba Imana kandi yishwe n'uriya musore mugenzi we bakoranaga imirimo imwe. Ejo nzakohereza amanimero ndetse n'amerekezo yanyu ugiye kuba bajya kuba uri.
2 drops of this in his food or drink and he'll be out for 24 hours.
Uriya mugabo nuramuka umuhaye tuno dutonyanga tubiri tw'utungutu mu kinyobwa cyuzuye, araza kumara amasaha agera kuri 24 yose asinzira. Ubwo tuzanira ibimuranga byose, kumbe ngazana ibimuranga byose.
Product's good.
2 million in cash, just like we talked about.
Harya buriya turabaha ngahe hari nk'ebyiri muri cash.
You have a deal?
Yeah, we got a deal.
Ubwo niba turi kubyumvikana avuga ariyo tubaha, dore ngabo ngo hari nk'ebyiri muri cash, tuzibahe cyangwa?
Brian, your cover is blown.
Brian umaze kumenyekana, your cover is blown. Dore ngabo.
The fuck you think you're
Jenny kirimo aracheka gukora sha. What the fuck you think you're doing? Bwanyuma bajyanye kuri mission byagenze biti byarangiye biterero. kurikira wirebere. Ye barangiye ifaranga ko ari ryinshi mwana ari tsindaho burya dore isasu ry'akabavu umwuka agira Imana ngo wihangane ifaranga ni ryinshi ngo burya nakwemera nkari gutsindaho. Brian dukeneye kuganira kumba umugabo yaramuzi yaramaze gukora iki ariko wajya mu gihe vizuri kama mimuwa kwa baba hari icyo bari bahuriyeho iki nacyo cy'ifaranga ryose ryari rihari. Gukorana n'abantu ba Bruce ni ibya mbere kabisa, ngo gukorana n'aba Bruce ni ibya mbere for God 10 agafilime nako nuko kabashe kuba kagenda ndababwiza ukuri burya gukorana n'ababuruze ngo ntako bisa bagenda bagira ibyo bibagirwa nawe ukagenda ubiyorayora bantu muragiye mureba agafilime nuko nyine karimo karagenda umugore ngo yakoranye n'ababuruze barangije baramwemeza ifaranga ryose arayoye arajyanye abandi biyicanye n'abandi bibutsa ubwenge ifaranga ntarihari kandi iryo faranga na ba nyiraryo ntabahari turabakunda cyane The Sound Video Library.